Hey y'all, so this is what I did today. I moved this from over there. I'm just trying to get a feel of what I want in this section. I think I do like this. And of course I've got, where did it go? Oh, hold on. My sign that will go above in there. And I think I'm just gonna probably end up trashing this. I made this, so it ain't like I bought it or anything. It's pretty heavy. But I think I'm going to take out all this stuff and we're going to probably put it in there, which I got junk in there, which is usually all, I think all in there is my Cricut supplies. So I just need to take all that out and not real sure where I'm going to put that at right now. But I just wanted to rearrange some things to get an idea of what I want to do. I will have to redo my floors so I can slide everything over. Where we had the wall there, I do have a gap. I would just put a piece in there to fill it, but when I done the bedroom, I liked like 2 pieces to finish the whole bedroom, and I said since the bed was going to hide it all, I just pieced it together right here, because I wasn't going all the way to Lowe's, which is 30 minutes away, just to buy another $30 box for 2 boards or tiles, whatever these are. There is my hutch. I built this, so I'm not going to throw that away. But I do have to get another dresser for that. And when I had the bed here, you couldn't see that. So that was another one of those things. If the bed was going to hide it, there was no point of, putting stuff in there. I think this hutch will hide that too for now until I put shiplap up. Because my goal is to put shiplap, all through here. I'm going to build me another fridge cabinet. And I think I'm going to actually do a little bitty side door on the side so I can put my broom and dustpan there, since I am going to make that a pantry cabinet. And I'm going to keep this here, and I'm probably going to take that cabinet and put it right here. And I think this leaves me enough room to be able to maneuver around, without feeling like claustrophobic. I later on plan on putting shiplap here so I can move the couch on that side, and then the fireplace and TV all on this side. Slow progress. But today I have been kind of lazy and haven't done much of nothing besides take that down, sweep a little bit, obviously feed the cats and the children. It's already 6 o'clock, and I'm thinking I need to clean this refrigerator. So I was going to put some pops in, and then I seen how it's kind of unorganized and a little dirty, so let's go clean that. And we're sitting at an odd spot right now. It needs to be like shielded up or something. I know I want to climb that for some reason. Yes, it is a spot that I'm going to figure out. these tomatoes that I got from Aldi, and they're kind of getting mushy awful quick. They were already not looking the greatest, but I got to Google, I guess, maybe a recipe I could do to make some homemade tomato paste or something. I don't know. I hate to waste them. Well, we got that done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and follow for more. Bye.